Hello, this is Totash Vekalpana. Today I am going to explain two different topics from discrete mathematics, composite function and transitive closure. Both are commonly used in mathematics and computer science, especially in relation and function operators. Here we can see that one chart. This is prepared by me. Here, composite function and transitive closure I am going to explain. First of all, we should know the what is composite function. Here we can see the definition. Composite function is a form when one function is applied to the result of another function. In terms, we have two functions f of x and g of x. Then the composite function is written as f of g of x or g of f of x. F of g of x is a composite function that is formed when g of x is substituted for x in f of x. F of g of x is read as f of g of x. Equivalently, f of g is also used as represent f of g of x. Here we can see that notation. If function b to c and g function a to b, then the composite of f of g function should be a to c. F of f0 of g that equals to f of g of x. Here we can see that one example, that is, let g of x equals to x square and f of x equals to 2x plus 1. F of g of x. First of all, we should replace the x value with g of x. What is g of x? X square. X square is replaced here with g of x. Again, this x square will be substituted in the f of x function, that is 2x plus 1. Here in this x place, the x square is replaced. That's why the equation became 2x square plus 1. Otherwise, we can also add one value. Here we can also give one value, that is 2 or 3, whatever it may be. F of g of 2. F of 2 square. X square means 2 square. 2 square into 2 square 4. 2 into 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. The answer will be 9. Here we can compute f of g or else g of f also. G of f means we have to replace f of first f of x value is 2x plus 1. In that f of x, we have to replace 2x plus 1. In E2, this 2x plus 1 is replaced in g of x function. What is g of x function? X square. In this x place, 2x1 will be replaced. That equation will become 4x square plus 4x. A plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. 4x plus 1 plus 1. Or we can give directly value. Answer will be 49 here. We have to remember that g of x is not equal to f of x. The both equations are not equal. Then we are here moving to transitive closure. Here we can see the transitive closure. The transitive closure means, in simpler words, it is a path from a to b and b to c. Then the transitive closure ensures there is a direct link from a to c. Here we can see that if you go from one element to the another through the chain of relations, then the transitive closure connects to directly. Let's say we have, if a relation R on a set, R plus equals to R union R square, so on, where R square equals to R of our composition with R itself, R cube equals to R square of R, and so on. R plus is called transitive closure of R. A relation is whenever A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C belongs to also. Here we can see that one example, let A equals to 1, 2, 3 set and relation 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C, that means 1 comma 3 belongs to R square. R plus R, then what will become R plus? R plus means transitive closure. R plus means R union R square. The already R is there, this set, all the relation. After that, we have to include this also. After this, this whole relation will become R plus. Then the transitive closure R plus includes all indirect paths connection to make the relation fully transitive. Sometimes a relation is not transitive also. Let us see the some of applications of composite function used in programming and data processing pipelines. In real world problems where multiple process happens in sequence, there we can see the applications of composite function. For Transitive closure in computers to find reachable paths in dataset for hierarchical queries. We use the transitive closure. Thank you for watching my video.